Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to assign an Xbox Live profile to a specific controller so that user profile will be signed in automatically when they turn on that Xbox One controller. If you share an Xbox One with multiple people, signing in and out of profiles can be a pain. One way to make that situation easier to deal with is by assigning user profiles to specific controllers. When you assign a user profile to a specific Xbox One controller, that user will automatically be signed in and can start playing instantly. Now let's walk through the steps to assign an Xbox Live profile to a specific controller so that user will be signed in automatically when they turn on that Xbox One controller. Step 1. Highlight your Xbox Live profile picture in the upper left corner of the screen with your remote and then press A to open a menu. Step 2. Highlight the system icon along the top of the menu. The system icon looks like a gear. Then select Settings in the System menu. The settings screen appears, displaying your account screen by default. Step 3. Select Sign In, Security, and Passkey in the Account menu on the right side of the screen. The Sign In, Security, and Passkey screen appears. Step 4. Select This Controller Signs In. A screen appears asking you if you want to link this controller to the Xbox Live profile you're currently logged in with. Step 5. Choose Link Controller. You'll be returned to the previous screen where you'll now see your Xbox Live profile name associated with this controller. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.